Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've been enjoying watching my videos. Now, I put up about a year ago a review and unboxing on my Salomon X Ultra hiking boots, and I've had a few comments about how easy are these boots to clean. Now, as you can see, they're pretty dirty. They've been doing some hiking with all the rain around recently. They've got pretty muddy. Now, all I have here is a bucket of warm water and a dishwashing sponge. So what I do, and I don't always do it with a bucket in a nice green environment like this, but just sponge it off. Now remember, these are a Gore-Tex boot, so they will dry themselves. So you can see I've got to scrub a few bits there where the dirt has actually got into the fabric. It comes off all the rubber areas fairly easily. Once again, it's just an old dish sponge and warm water. That's all I use. Some of the areas in here where there's the corners and the stitching might need a little bit more of a rub, but fairly quick and easy. There you go. As you can see, that one's come up fairly clean. So then I just give it a shake off. Now, I just noticed there's a little bit there I missed. Better make sure I get that. Now, I don't want to sit these in the sun to dry. They will dry up fairly hard and fairly stiff. So I want them to dry slowly, so I'll just sit them in the shade and let them dry. So as you can see, thank you to the person that asked the question too. I'm always looking for new video content, and questions are a good way to work out what I need to make videos on. So we're nearly finished there with this one. Now you can actually see I haven't done much time washing the bottom. That's because I walked through the mud and then continued to walk down the track, and a lot of the muck and mud actually didn't stick to the bottom of the boots, which is actually pretty good. It let go, which meant I still had that grip and the traction. It only got all the mud on top of the track. So there you go. One pair of Salomon X Ultra 4 hiking boots. I should say Salomon X Ultra 4 hiking boots. I've got to make sure I pronounce it correctly. Nice and clean, ready to go for my next hike. As I said, just let them dry in the sun. I have a bucket here full of muddy water. Pretty disgusting. But yeah, that's how easy these boots are to clean. They've come up really nice. Guys, get out there hiking, have fun in the great Australian bush. See you around.